You can make money two ways: make more or spend less. The money you make is a symbol of the value you create. Don't stay in bed unless you can make money on bed. The better you feel about money, the more money you magnetize to yourself. Use money and love people, don't use people and love money. Too many people spend money they earned to buy things they don't want to impress people that they don't like. Focus on money, we will make money. Focus on impact, we will make impact. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. The must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will control you forever. Success is not the result of making money. Earning money is the result of success. You will either learn to manage money, or the lack of it will manage you. Money has never made man happy, nor will it. There is nothing in its nature to produce happiness. The more of it one has, the more one wants. You don't get rich by spending your time to save money, you get rich by saving your time to make money. A wise person should have money in their head, but not in their heart. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. Every time you borrow money, you're robbing your future self. Never spend your money before you have it. If we command our wealth, we shall be rich and free. If our wealth commands us, we are poor indeed. Balancing your money is the key to having enough. Rich people have small TVs and big libraries, and poor people have small libraries and big TVs. Wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. See you soon.